Disclaimer, this is my first time attempting to do or getting any types of wax. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing a wax kit review. I'm gonna show you guys what the wax kit looks like. So this is the box. I am going to do a little pop-up on the screen so that you can see for yourself what the box looks like. So yeah, this is basically the box, a typical box. It is by Cicely on Amazon. Just in case you are interested in purchasing this wax kit, I will leave a link in my description box below so you can go ahead and check that out. Alright, so what do you need to know about this wax kit? Alright, so this wax kit comes with the wax warmer. This is basically what it looks like. It looks like a typical wax warmer to me. There is a cord for the wax warmer, as well as it comes with 4 hard wax beads. These are in, I believe, tea tree, vanilla, lavender, and I don't really remember what the pink one is for. It also comes with 2, not 1 but 2 sets of wax sticks, which is great. So there's a popsicle one that you use on the larger sections of your body, such as your arms or your legs or your back or your pubic area. And then there are the smaller ones, which are the white ones, and you can use these on the smaller parts of your body, like your face, like doing your eyebrows or taking off peach fuzzies off your face or removing hair from around your mouth area. So I think that's great. It also comes with this little card. The card says activate free 6 months extended warranty. So once you purchase this product, you go ahead and you scan the barcode on the back and you get 6 months of warranty, which I think is pretty great, because just in the event it stops working, you're always guaranteed that you will get some type of compensation from the company. Disclaimer, this is my first time attempting to do or getting any types of wax. So I've never gotten wax professionally before, neither have I ever done it at home. I am a shave girl. I'm pretty excited about trying this because I want to see, you know, what the results will be like, if I would like it, or if it's something that I would want to continue to do. So I'm pretty excited about this, guys. I'm going to give you my honest opinion, and yeah, I just want to jump into the tutorial so you guys can see how I warm my beads and how I apply the wax. Alright, so I have removed the wax, all the items out of the box. Now this is the warmer that is going to be warming the beads, the wax. So I plug it in and I set it on medium, and then I'm gonna go in and add half bag of the hard wax. Now I added half bag first because I didn't know, like, this is my first time, I don't know how much to use, so I just added a half pack to see what the amount would be like once all the beads have been melted, and if I need to add more, then I would just go ahead and apply some more. Alright, so I noticed that the beads weren't melting as fast as I wanted, so I went ahead and I set it to, well, right now it's on low, but I actually set it on high. This is my leg. I am going in to do the first section of my leg. I applied my wax off camera and now I'm just ripping that off. On a scale of 1 to 10, it was actually not that bad, the pain level. So yeah, you'll see in the other clips how I apply the wax. Not sure if the camera is picking up the hairs, but there were some hairs in there, and this is me applying the wax, and then again I'm trying to rip the wax off. Now I think I'm moving a little bit too fast, so I'm gonna slow things down a little bit. All right, so this is me going in sections on my leg, trying to get as much wax on each section. I did mess up the first time when I attempted to do this because the wax was very soft and it wasn't picking up the hairs, so I turned it up, and that's when I started seeing the results. So I've actually gone on this leg a couple times to try to get the hairs lifted, and yes, eventually I did get to lift all the hairs from my leg. It was definitely a lot of trial and error before I got it right. So here we go. You can see some of the hairs on there, and then again, as I said, this is just me going in to try and get as much hair off as I can possibly get. This is what my leg is looking like after I went in and did multiple sections to lift the hairs. It's actually not that bad. I am seeing a few hair strands, but they're minimal, so I didn't see the need to go in again. I did do my armpit as well, and this is what it looks like after just one strip. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of the video. I just want to share my thoughts and my opinions on the wax kit. What I noticed is that the wax kit has an automated timer, so once the beads have been heated, it usually turns itself off to cool it down so that you can use the product. Because this is my first time, as I said, I've never done this before. I wasn't really paying attention to the fact that the beads were becoming a little bit too hard, because you want the consistency to be not too runny and not too hard. So I would say it should be like a honey-like consistency before you apply. Now I noticed that when I applied it, it was getting like hard again. It wasn't lifting the hairs from my legs, so I had to turn it back on and get the beads warm again, and that's when it started really lifting the hairs from my leg. I think that the wax, it did a pretty good job. Majority, as you can see in the clip that I will insert, is what my legs look like after I did multiple coats of wax. So I actually used an entire pack of wax, and it did practically my entire leg. There was just a few hairs that were left and it didn't bother me, so I didn't feel the need to go in another time and remove them. I'm not really a hairy person because the condition that my legs are in, the last time I shaved was 2 months ago, so that's really good to know that my hairs haven't grown back that much, and I really don't have that much hair. I want to do my arms, but I doubt you guys will be able to see those hairs on my arms, so I just decided to do my legs. Now I want to talk about the pain level. Now, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most severe level of pain, I would say it's about a 2 for me. I thought that it would be like it would really hurt when I was lifting the wax, but it really didn't hurt that much, to be honest. What you do need to do is you need to pull the wax up in the direction that your hair grows. So my hair, it grows downwards, so from my knee my hair grows downwards. So whenever I apply the wax, I apply it in from down to up. So I do it from my ankles up to my knee, and then when I'm lifting the wax, once it has hardened, opposite direction to what my hair grows, because you want to pull out those hairs. So remember, you pull the wax opposite to the direction that your hair grows, so you can get the most out of the wax lifting the hairs from your leg. Let's rate this wax kit though. Out of 1 to 10, as I said, I'm new, I'm not sure if I was doing anything wrong, but as I said, 1 pack of the wax, it did do my entire leg. There was just a few small like hairs here and there that's left over, so I would give it a 8 out of a 10. And I definitely do plan to use this to do my other leg as well as other parts on my body. When I finished, what I did was I used a cloth, a washcloth, and I removed any excess wax that was on my legs, and then I went in with some baby oil, and I just love the feel of my legs right now. And so yeah, if you are interested in checking out this wax kit, there will be a link down in my description bar, so you can go ahead and make your purchase. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Okay, go ahead and subscribe. Turn that subscription button from red to gray. Hit that thumbs up button so that the algorithm know that you like my content, and you know, give me a little push, you know, in YouTube, and enable all post notifications so you never miss out on any of my videos. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you for staying with me. I really appreciate it if you're here to the end. Thank you so much. and I'll catch you guys in another video.